Hola mi gente and welcome back to another episode of Sticky Counters. Now today we have an episode about waking you up. Sometimes you feel tired, sometimes you feel eh. So what are you gonna do? You have an espresso martini and that's what we're gonna be making today. So let's get into it. It is time to make the espresso martini. What do you need? Our trusty shaker, because you always want to build this cocktail in the small tin, not the big one. Now, you always want to start with the least expensive ingredient, just in case you make a mistake. Now, since this cocktail is for me, I'm just going to take a little sip of espresso. Pinky's up. If you don't have the pinky up, it won't taste the same. So we're going to do an ounce of espresso right into the tin. Perfect. And now we're gonna do some Kahlua, a coffee liqueur. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces. Now this is gonna add that sweetness that we need in the cocktail. And it's just really gonna enhance the coffee flavor of the espresso. And it's just gonna bring it together. So we have that in there. We added 1.5 ounces of the coffee liqueur. And now 1.5 ounces of vodka. Today we're using some Absolut Vodka. So this is a really easy recipe. I mean 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1.5 ounces of coffee liqueur, and 1 ounce of your espresso. Now, next ingredient, ice. Just throw it right in there. Perfect. Grab the big tin. You want to hit it 2 times. Boom, boom. It's going to lock everything in so it doesn't explode on you. You flip, do a little dance, and shake it up. Crack it open. There you go. And now you could either use a coupe glass, a martini glass. I have this fancy coupe glass that we're gonna be using, but not necessary. And now we're just gonna strain, and you're gonna see the foam. Really, really pretty. Look at that. All the way to the tippy top. There you go, beautiful. I mean, check it out. So again, this is a really easy cocktail that you can make at home, you know, to surprise your family and friends. All you need is 3 ingredients: vodka, coffee liqueur, espresso. It's cocktails on a budget, super delicious, and it's gonna wake you up. So let me take a sip before I say goodbye to everybody. Hold on. Oh my God. See, I'm already awake. This is one of the best cocktails out there. 3 ingredients again. So if you like this cocktail, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, maybe you want to substitute the Kahlua and put something else, let me know in the comments so you have a different version of your espresso martini. And if you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. It'll mean the world to me, and we're going to be able to bring all this content to you. So now, let's get shaken. Cheers.